Point 3. A marksman holds a 3-kilogram rifle loosely so that we can ignore any horizontal external forces acting on the rifle bullet system. He fires a bullet of mass 5 grams horizontally with a speed of 300 meters per second. What is the recoil speed? The recoil speed of the rifle. What are the final kinetic energies of the bullet and the rifle? Okay. We can say that the total momentum of the system, since both the rifle and the bullet they're at rest, the total momentum of the system before is going to be equals to 0. Okay, but what happens after firing the rifle, right? So the rifle, which we're gonna draw like this, is gonna have a velocity which we have to find, and the bullet is gonna move to the right at a velocity of 300 meters per second, and it has a mass of 5 grams. We also know the mass of the rifle, which is 3 kilograms. And we assume that the x-axis is like this, positive x to the right, negative x to the left. So to make our units consistent, let's convert the 5 grams of the bullet to kilograms, which is 5.00 times 10 to the minus 3 kilograms. Okay. So because momentum should be conserved, the total momentum of the system before should be equal to the total momentum of the system after. So the total momentum after fighting the rifle should be 0. So the momentum of the bullet is going to be the mass of the bullet times the velocity of the bullet. Since we already said that momentum was going to be 0, we can solve for velocity. Times velocity of the rifle. Just going to give us a total momentum of the system, and we are going to find the velocity of the bullet. So the mass of the bullet is going to be 3 kilograms times the velocity of the bullet plus the mass of the rifle, which said, so the mass of the bullet is going to be 5.00 times 10 to the 3 kilograms times the velocity of the bullet plus the mass of the rifle, which is 3 kilograms, times the velocity of the rifle, which is what we need to find. Now, the velocity of the rifle is 300 meters per second. No, of the bullet, sorry. So what we're trying to find is the velocity of the rifle, not the bullet. Okay. Here is our equation. Let's solve for this. So the velocity of the rifle is going to be equals to minus 0.500 meters per second. Example 8.4.